Swabhiman Trust was given permission to organize a yoga training session at Ramlila ground from 1/6/2011 to 26/2011 for 4,000 to 5,000 persons. When violations of the conditions attached to the permission were noticed and brought to the attention of the BST, they, by letter dated 28/5/2011, affirmed that, quote, there will be no program at all except residential yoga camp, unquote. However, Sri Baba Ramdev, in the run-up to 1/6/2011, at several meetings announced that he will undertake a fast unto death beginning 4/6/2011. Earlier, government had taken note of the resolution passed by the Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha of the RSS on March 10 to 13, 2011 at Puttur, Karnataka. The announcement by the RSS of the formation of an anti-corruption front, which Sri Baba Ramdev as its patron and Sri K.N. Govindacharya as its convener. The decision on 12/5/2011 of the ABVP to float an organization named Youth Against Corruption and to coordinate with Sri Baba Ramdev, and the circular issued on 20/5/2011 by Sri Suresh Joshi of the RSS to all Swayam Sevaks to render all possible cooperation to Sri Baba Ramdev's campaign. Similar instructions were issued on 28/5/2011 by Sri Ashok Shingal of the VHP to all VHP office bearers. A decision was taken that Sri Baba Ramdev would not be allowed to organize any protest or undertake any fast unto death at Ramlila ground, and that if he persisted in his efforts to do so, he would be directed to remove himself from Delhi. Government representatives engaged Sri Baba Ramdev in talks between 1/6/2011 and 4/6/2011. Late in the evening of 4/6/2011, it became clear that Sri Baba Ramdev had gone back on his assurances and was determined to persist with his fast unto death program. Delhi police decided to enforce the decision to remove Sri Baba Ramdev from Ramlila ground. According to Delhi police, when the order was served on Sri Baba Ramdev, he was obliged to obey the order and remove himself from Delhi. On the contrary, he defied the order. What happened thereafter and how he defied the order have been captured on camera and is known to everybody. According to Delhi police, minimum force was used to contain the situation and apprehend Sri Baba Ramdev and remove him from Delhi. Delhi police issued a brief press statement on 5/6/2011, followed by a media briefing by the Special Commissioner of Police. I do not wish to add anything at this stage. Delhi police has received a notice from the Supreme Court of India and will explain the events and the action taken in their affidavit. According to Delhi police, there were over 20,000 persons at Ramlila ground on the night of 4/5 June 2011. 43 civilians were injured. 39 were discharged after first aid or medical examination. 2 persons were treated for fractures and discharged. 2 persons received serious injuries. Both were operated upon, and one of them, Sri Sunil Kumar, is stable and recovering. The other person is Srimati Rajpala. 32 police personnel were also injured, but they were discharged after first aid or medical examination. I acknowledge that individuals and organizations have a right to protest peacefully in a democracy. Police give permission for peaceful protest after taking into account the overall law and order and security situation. For example, permission was given to the BJP to undertake a satyagraha on 5th and 6th of June 2011. Today, permission has been given to Sri Anna Hazare and others to observe a fast from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Rajghat. Sometimes permission is refused. Ramlila ground is situated in a sensitive area. Delhi is a huge metropolis, and maintaining law and order in Delhi and preventing any kind of disturbance or conflict is a complex task. A small spark can trigger a conflagration. Decisions to grant or refuse permission are taken by the police authorities. A decision to issue directions under Section 65 of the Delhi Police Act and enforce the decision is also taken by the police authorities. I would appeal to the general public to appreciate the constraints and the difficult circumstances under which Delhi Police has to discharge its functions and responsibilities. In fact, what is true of Delhi and Delhi Police is also true of other metropolitan and large cities and police authorities in such cities.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.